So I just spent 5 minutes trying to light this old water heater. Guy just flushed his toilet for the first time and since Christmas. And so you got two old water heaters down there. So trying to light it. There's no gas. I had the gas on. I checked to make sure the gas on was there. And I was like, huh. Well, that's a little off. Then I follow it over. Everything looks, all right. Oh. Oh, we're just wasting time here. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna have hot water tonight. That probably connects to that, and that thing is probably his chimney that fell in. Electric water heater is his option.